Loop scripts. Another advanced level of scripting. You are keep getting better, my friends. Keep getting better. The next script that you're going to run is for loop scripts. For loops, what they do is it keeps running until a specified number of variable. For example, if a variable is defined 10, then run the script 10 times. Or variable is green, blue, red, then run the script 3 times for each color. So it actually simplifies your tasks. If you want to, for example, create files or 10 files, then you don't have to run the command again and again and again. Full for loops will do it for you. We'll go back into our Linux machine and we'll try a couple of scripts for loops, and then you could try it on your own and you will become proficient by running these little tiny scripts. So which directory we are in? We are in our home directory. Always home is not just home but entire home directory, and the directory that we are in is my scripts. So in my scripts, we're going to create a new script. We're going to call it this time ABC. Do vi ABC. And the first thing you know already by now is that you define the shell script that you're going to run this script in, or the shell environment, I would say, that you're going to run this script in. And again, I have already written few scripts for you to go over this training, and I'm going to go into our first script, which is a simple for loop output. I'm going to copy this script and I'm going to just simply paste it. This already has a defined shell, so I'm going to delete that line. So what is it doing? For I in 1 2 3 4 5 do. So I here is a variable which is telling that this container, which is the container name is I, it holds the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. And then what is asking it to do? The script is going to do echo welcome variable 1 times variable 2 times variable 3 variable 4 or variable 5 times. And then once it's done, it is done. So that's why we have to define done at the end for the for loop to finish doing what it's doing. So I'm just going to save the file. Once the file is saved, again you have to give executable permission. The permission is given. Let's verify it. Yes, the ABC file is there. Let's see what's inside of it. Inside of it is exactly has the same thing. Let's run the script ABC, and there you go. It's doing welcome 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So basically, if you have a repetitive task, and trust me, you're gonna be working in a corporate environment where you would have to do so many repetitive tasks, and this loop script is gonna become so handy for you that you will be creating scripts for every repetitive task that you will be doing every day. So this is outputting 5 times. Let's look at the second script. So the second script, what it's doing, it's basically doing the same thing, but this time it will just output the names. And I'm gonna make this XYZ as the name of the file. And it has always starts with the shell. The shell name is bin bash. And now this time we're going to put in some comment, and we're going to say this script will output Imran with different actions, because it will say see Imran eat, see Imran run, see Imran jump, and see Imran play. So this is what the script is going to do. So that's why I have put it in just a comment. You can put it more comment. Let's say the script is created by Imran Afzal. And if you want to put a date, you can, but we'll skip that out. And the script starts right here. It's telling you for I in. Again, I is a variable. In is you putting inside of your variable, and variable is just like a container. It's telling you put, eat, jump, run, play inside of a container called I. Once it has all these four words inside of the container I, then do what we are doing. We are echoing C Imran $I. The variable is always be displayed with the dollar and the name of the variable. So it's telling it $I, and then once the script is going to display every word in the container, then it's gonna be done. Once done, the script is created, the script has done its job, and we will verify it. The script is there. Next thing you know by now is to change the permission on the XYZ. So it will have executable permission. And executable permission, once again, I am reiterating again and again, if you cannot run the script, it's because you do not have executable permission. So we do have executable permission. Awesome, perfect. Let's run it. XYZ. It says bash XYZ, no such file or directory. Why is that? Of course, we have put C. It's Z actually, XYZ. So let's run it. And there you go. C Imran eat, C Imran run, C Imran jump, C Imran play. So again, it is doing a repetitive tasks for you. So this for loop is a very strong statement in a scripting environment that will let you run repetitive tasks again and again. So you don't have to do it yourself and spend time all day and creating those little tedious tasks. I want you to write other scripts that I have inside of this file. This file is again in your handouts. I want you to download this handout, create these little scripts again and run it and see what they do. It will be a great exercise for you.